for the last 2 weeks, I've been using this instead of my normal desk lamp, and the reason I've kept it isn't because it somehow produces dramatically better light. It's actually much simpler than that. It takes up absolutely no space on my desk. The controls are always within reach, and once it's installed, it basically forget it's there. There are still a couple of things I think Quntis could have done better, so let me show you what living with it is actually like. Inside the box you get the light bar itself, the monitor clamp, the wireless remote, a 90-degree USB-C power cable, and the usual manuals and documentation. That's pretty much everything, and assembly is extremely simple. The lamp slots into the clamp sits on top of your monitor, you connect USB-C power and you're done. I was slightly worried about the mount because I'm using a very thin OLED display, but it actually works really well and feels secure without putting unnecessary pressure on the screen. The biggest reason I prefer this over my old desk lamp is probably also the most boring one. It simply doesn't take up any space. My previous lamp wasn't particularly large, but it was still another object sitting on the desk and taking up usable room. This is attached directly to the monitor, so all that space stays completely free, while the light covers the keyboard and the area in front of me very well. Because the light comes from above the screen, I also haven't had any problems with distracting reflections or glare on the display. You can adjust the angle of the light itself, so it's relatively easy to make it illuminate exactly the part of the desk you want. I've experimented with different angles, brightness levels, and color temperatures, and so far I've always been able to find a setting which works without shining directly on the screen. It's not something I really think about anymore, which is probably the point. Once I found the angle I liked, I basically left it there. What surprised me more than the lamp itself though was the remote control. With my old desk lamp, changing brightness or color temperature meant reaching over and finding the controls on the lamp, which isn't a huge problem, but it's exactly the kind of a small inconvenience you notice every day. Here, everything is controlled from one remote that can simply stay in a convenient place on the desk, and strangely enough, the remote actually feels more premium than the light bar itself. The large power button turns on the main light on and off, while the main controls let you adjust both its brightness and color temperature. The backlight has its own small power button, and the controls work slightly different here. If you hold the small button, you can change the brightness of the backlight, while double tapping it changes the color temperature. It takes a minute to learn, but once you know how it works, adjusting everything becomes very quick and intuitive. The ambient light at the back of the bar illuminates the wall behind the monitor and looks especially nice if you're using the computer in an evening. I do like having it, but I also wouldn't buy this light specifically for that feature. My previous desk lamp could also illuminate the wall behind the monitor, so in my case the ambient lighting isn't really what makes the Quntis special. It's more of a useful extra on top of the main reason I'm using it. There are a few compromises though, and the most noticeable one is the LEDs themselves. If you look directly at the light bar, you can clearly see the individual warm and cool diodes, and initially I thought that made it look a little bit cheaper than I expected, but after a few days, however, I mostly stopped noticing it because you don't normally sit at your desk staring directly into the light bar. It's still something worth mentioning though, but for me, it hasn't affected the actual experience of using it. I'm also not completely convinced by the included 90 degrees USB-C cable. Depending on how your monitor and cable management are arranged, the angle can actually make routing the cable more awkward rather than easier. I ended up replacing it with a normal USB-C cable, which works better in my setup. This is probably the area where I'd most like to see Quntis improve the product, because a slightly cleaner cable management solution built into the mount would make the whole setup feel more polished. At around $70 to $80 though, I can understand why the cable management isn't particularly elaborate. However, at this price point, I think Quntis has better value light bar on their website. More on that in just a second. But overall, the lamp feels well made, the mount is better than I expected, and the remote in particular feels genuinely good to use. More importantly, none of the small negatives really get in the way once the light is installed. Most of the things I dislike are things I noticed during setup, while most of the things I like are things I benefit from every day. When you check their official store, you can find a lamp that's also close to the $80 mark that, apart from offering what this model does, also has presence sensor. This is a great way to really automate the whole control process, since the lamp can just detect when you're at your desk and turn the brightness up automatically. However, I haven't tested it yet, so I can't say whether the feature really works or it's just a quirk. So did I actually replace my desk lamp? Yes, but not because the Quntis suddenly transformed the quality of light on my desk, because my old lamp already did its job perfectly well. This is simply a better solution for the way I use my setup. It doesn't take up space, the remote makes adjustment much easier, it works properly with my thin OLED monitor, and there's no distracting glare. Once everything is set up, there's almost nothing left to think about. And I think that's probably the best compliment I can give a product like this. You install it, set the brightness and color temp the way you like, place the remote somewhere convenient, and then you basically forget the light bar is there. It isn't dramatic desk transformation and it doesn't need to be. It just removes one small inconvenience from the setup, and after using it for a while, going back to a normal desk lamp feels surprisingly unnecessary.